Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie in Yeeps hide and seek. To begin, you'll need to gather the essential ingredients: fruit, sugar, and flour. Once you have these items, find a cooking pan within the game world. This pan is where you will combine your ingredients before the final baking step. Finally, locate the in-game oven, which is crucial for cooking your pie to perfection. Now that you have your ingredients and the pan, it's time to combine them. Carefully place the fruit, sugar, and flour into the cooking pan. Mix these ingredients thoroughly to create your pie mixture. It's important to ensure all components are well combined, as this step is vital for the pie's texture and taste. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious in-game treat. With your ingredients combined, it's time to bake your pie. Transfer the mixed pie ingredients from the pan into the in-game oven. Allow the pie to bake until it achieves a golden brown appearance, indicating it's fully cooked. Once baked, retrieve your freshly made pie from the oven. This final step completes the cooking process, making your pie ready to enjoy. Your delicious pie is now ready to be enjoyed in Yeeps hide and seek. You can share your freshly baked pie with friends, which might even offer some fun in-game benefits. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.